Chapter 7 The Vacuum Cleaner. The maid turned on the vacuum cleaner. Ralph did not want to go in the vacuum cleaner. The air in the vacuum cleaner pulled on his tail. Ralph held on to the motorcycle. He sat on the motorcycle. He felt safe. The air in the vacuum cleaner made the motorcycle go fast. The vacuum made Ralph and the motorcycle get lost in the laundry. Ralph could not get out. The maid picked up the laundry. Ralph chewed through a shirt. He was safe. The motorcycle was not safe. Ralph was sad to lose the motorcycle. Ralph went home. He went to sleep.